the lateral side, which is the outside of my body. So sticking on my right foot, I'm gonna jump out to the outside now. So same position, jump and land and fight that landing. You're gonna find you're gonna wanna fall out of that. When you land, do the best job you can to stick that landing, fight that urge to fall out of it. We're trying to develop that strength and those neuromuscular pathways to be nice and strong in that bottom position. So once again, on that lateral side, I'm here, I'm down nice and deep, I'm up, I'm landing, and I wanna make sure that I'm in good, strong positioning. With the foot in the shoe, when I land, I wanna think about spreading my toes. So if this is the ground, I want my toes to be doing this on the ground. That's gonna help create a better pad for me as I land down. I'm gonna have more strength and stability at the same time. When you are doing this drill, if you find that you are falling and you're having a hard time, pay attention to where you're falling. If I'm coming out here and I land and I'm falling to the outside, well, then I got too much of my upper body weight to the outside of my foot. If I'm falling to the inside, once again, I got too much weight to the inside. So pay attention to where those faults are so you can make those corrections.